طيب. If the madloom, the person who's been under injustice, he had made a dua, and the Prophet ﷺ said, Ya Mu'adh, O Mu'adh, ittaqi al-dhulm, taqi da'wat al-madloom. Be careful regarding the supplication of the one who's been dealt unjustly. You've been done to him. فَإِنَّهُ لَيْسَ بَيْنَهَا وَبَيْنَ اللَّهِ حِجَابٌ. The supplication of this person who is under injustice, if he makes dua, there is no barrier between it and Allah. So if this person who is under injustice, he made a dua and Allah fulfilled his dua, oh Allah, get revenge from this person who done wrong to me, then on the day of resurrection you will have no right. That's it. You've taken what? You've taken your huquq. This is your rights. You've taken in the dunya. But if you're patient, you did not do anything, you did not forgive him yet, on the day of resurrection you will take what? Your justice. So either you accept your justice here and you make a dua, and then Allah, if He fulfill your dua, then there is nothing for you on the day of resurrection to take from that person. You're taking your justice. But if you did not make a dua, or if you made a dua and dua was not fulfilled, justice will take place on the day of resurrection.